Good morning, student. I once again welcome you in this online audio video lecture. We had started the lesson The Lottery Ticket, written by Anton Chekhov. We saw some part of these lessons. We saw how this husband and wife, Ivan and Masha, began dreaming of their life when they realized that they own a lottery ticket which value for 75,000. They thought of purchasing property and doing other activity. Each of them were dreaming a beautiful life. Now see what happens. So when his wife dream about a land or the house in a particular area where he and she will have a happy life. So Ivan start dreaming about that place. It is hot, so he instantly transformed himself to that place, and that one place, the Tula or the Oriole provinces. So it is hot. His little boy and girls are crawling about near him, digging in the sand or catching ladybirds in grass. So he instantly transferred himself into that place, and where he was sitting in that place in the hot summer, in the and drinking summer soup and in that sand. So he imagined that he is a little one, a boy and girls were crawling and moving around him, digging in sand and catching ladybirds in the grass, as small children used to do. The ladybirds means a kind of a small insect. आपण ज्याला किडा म्हणतो की थोडासा काळपट आणि त्या लाल लाल ठिपके असतात असे तो छोटासा किडा तो उडतो तो लेडी बर्ड्स. He dozed sweetly, thinking of nothing and feeling all over that he need not go to the office today, tomorrow, or the day after. And in that place, he feel sleepy, doze sweetly. That means feeling sleepy, and start thinking that he has to do nothing in his life. He has to he did not go to the office today, tomorrow, or the day after. That means he need not go to the office because he has lots of money now. Or tired of lying still, he goes to the hayfield or to the forest for mushroom and watch the pigeon catching fish with a net. And he also imagined that if he become tired by sitting on the one place, he would go to the hayfield and to the forest and sometime to the farm where he will see the peasant catching fish with his net. When the sun set, he take a towel and soap and sauntered to the bathing shed, where he undressed at his leisure, slowly rub his bare chest with his hand, and goes into the water. And in the water, near the opaque soap circle, little fish flit to and fro and greet water weeds nod their head. After the bathing, there is a tea with the cream and milk roll. In the evening, a walk or a wind with the neighbors. So now he further imagine his life, his dream, his life, and what he dream, what he see. When a sunset, so he thought that he will move from one place to another place. First of all, he will sit on one place, and if he get tired by sitting on the one place, he will move to the forest, and sometimes he will watch a pigeon catching a fish. And when the sunset, he will take a towel and soap and saunter to the bathing set. Saunter means slowly moving, not immediately, because he had to kill the time, he had to make the time pass. Saunter to the bathing shed and he undress his lasers, and will he would undress himself, slowly rub his bare chest with his hand, and slowly he will rub, means the rubbing means to move his hand on his chest and goes into the water, and he will do all this activity leisurely, slowly, without making any haste, because he is imagining a wealthy life, a life of wealthy persons who doesn't do any physical activity in his life. And in the water, near the opaque soapy circle, little fish flit to and fro, and green water weed nod their heads. Look at these imaginations. So where he is going to have his bath? In bathroom. But generally the middle class man's bathroom is simple. But here he is again imagining that in that bathroom there will be a glass box and there will be a little फिश पॉट असल्यासारखं तू तिथे इमॅजिन करायला, कुठे त्या बाथरूममध्ये, आणि तिथे छोटे छोटे फिश आणि ते छोटे छोटे शेवाळ त्या फिश पॉटमध्ये राहील, हे सुद्धा तो इमॅजिन करून राहिला, कुठे बाथरूममध्ये. असं आफ्टर बाथिंग देर इज अ टी विथ क्रीम अँड मिल्क रोल. नाउ सी what his imagination is. After a bath, he will have tea with cream and milk roll, not an ordinary tea, but a tea with milk, a tea with cream and milk roll in the evening. And in the evening, what he will do? He will have a walk or went with the neighbor. Either he will go for walk or he will play a wint with his neighbor. Wint means a kind of Russian card games. जसं आपल्याकडे पत्ते असतात ना, पत्ते खेळणे, तसं हे पत्ते खेळण्याचाच एक प्रकार आहे, पण हा रशियन प्रकार. Yes, it would be nice to buy an estate, said his wife, also dreaming, and from her face it was evident that she was enchanted by her thought. Suddenly, इव्हॅन तर डे ड्रीम करत होता, इव्हॅन तर ते दिवसा स्वप्न पाहतच होता की काय काय तो करेल, काय काय करेल. तितक्यातच सडनली त्याची बायको सुद्धा ओरडली, यस, इट वुड बी नाईस टू बाय अन इस्टेट. दॅट मीन्स she was also dreaming a beautiful life with that money. Also dreaming, and from her face it was evident that she was enchanted by her thought. Enchanted means मोहित होणे. So by her expressions, the author realized that she was enchanted by her thought. That means she was also dreaming the same thing, or there is possibility that a different thing, but that is very very interesting and enchanting, and she was pleased with her thought. Even Dietrich pictured to himself autumn with its rain, its cold evening, and its Saint Martin summer. Now he continued his dreaming. At that seasons, he would have to take a longer walk about the garden and beside the river, and so as to get thoroughly chilled, and then drink a big glass of vodka and eat salted mushroom or sauce cucumber, and then drink another. Now in his dreaming he also imagined that he would have his odka, and he would get that odka and have the chilled feeling and have that salted cucumber or mushroom with that drink. That is, in मराठीमध्ये आपण म्हणतो त्याला चकना, ओडक्यासोबत चकना. पण चकनामध्ये याच्याकडे काय आहे, सॉस, cucumber and salted mushroom. The children would come running from the kitchen garden, bringing a carrot and ready smelling of fresh earth. And he also imagined that his children would enjoy that things. His children come from kitchen and have carrot in his hand and all other things, and then he would lie stretched full length on the sofa and in leisure fashions turn over the page of some illustrated magazines or cover his face with it, unbuttoning his waistcoat, give himself up to slumber. And then he also imagines that he will lay on the sofa in relaxed manners, and sometimes he will look at illustrated magazine, not ordinary magazine but high level, high standard magazines, and sometimes he will have his waistcoat unbuttons and slumber and take a rest. The Saint Marin's summer is followed by the cloudy, gloomy weather. It rains day and night, and bare trees weep. The wind is damp and cold. The dog, the horse, the foals all are wet, depressed, downcast. There is nowhere to walk. One can't go out for the days together. One has to pace up and down the room, looking despondently at the grey window. It is dreary. The next part we will see in the next video.